I don't got it. Hang on, that's it. That the entry. Ini kita ada the key. Ada kartunya. But you feel bad today? What do you feel?
Yeah, you feel excited.
Yeah, I feel excited. Turunan. Ini kita lihat ya, Aurelie, read Rainforest. Ini kapal nginap di sini. What villa we have?
43.
Okay, 43.
Stop here on the left.
They have a lookout. It's like house here, Bob, yeah? Villa for sale. Do you think this one is like...
Oh, there we are.
That's us. Villa 43.
Oh, we've got our own.
That is our own car park.
Jesus, is it going to be stable?
No, yeah. Itu dia car parknya.
It's going to be a strong fucking wind. Jesus.
Yeah, it's gonna be strong, my love. Ayo. Let's have a look first.
Yeah, we'll get the seafood.
Open first the thing. Open the room. Dia mau menyelamatkan ini dulu yang harus ditaruh di es di ini. This is our room. Tuh. Jadi mentok. Udah ini tempat kita. Kamar kita. Ada ini. That's it. That's the accommodation. Look at that, the spa. So, hello. That the kitchen. And the bed. This is the bedroom?
Hey?
This is the bedroom.
Yeah.
This look old.
Hey?
It's very old. Really? And then this is the bathroom. Kita ini dia bathroomnya. Shower. So that the spa. I think the main thing is a spa. Meja makan. It's very simple. Oh, that they have the TV and then the hot heater. The pillow is not that really. What's that? So this is the view. People can see us in the. This is the spa. Can you open it? So that the view is beautiful. It's still clean. Yeah. Whee. We're gonna sit down here for have some with our meal. Pep. View-nya bagus banget. Cuit. Tenang, redup. They have the fridge. I don't really like the thing. The pillow. The sofa. So that's me now. Kita lihat si Dev sedang mau apa dia ya. Dia sedang mau beres-beres dulu.
That's so cool. Oh, you know what we should have bought? Too late now, though. Should have bought a little chili.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too, huh?
Lapar.
Please.
Kita suami katanya mau ke toilet dulu. Get here, my love.
No, I need to poo.
Oke. Udah pengen. I'm gonna go to spa. Ya, inilah tempat kita menginap untuk 2 malam. For tonight, we stay here for tonight, and we're gonna have a good time, ya, babe, ya.
Yeah.
After we take all the stuff from the car, and we're gonna have a lunch. Very hungry. Kita mau pergi makan setelah kita angkat-angkat semua barang. Where we gonna have lunch?
I thought they were a cafe.
Huh?
A cafe.
Which cafe?
Off the top.
Is it not in the reception?
Yeah, up there. You have to drive back up there again.
I don't see any cafe there.
Because you haven't been here before.
No, I mean in the reception.
It's not in reception. There's a cafe up there.
Okay. What you doing there in your phone?
Setting up the Wi-Fi.
Huh?
The Wi-Fi.
Okay. Do they have Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
Oh.
Why is it asking for a password?
So only one bedroom, Bab.
Yeah.
Cuman satu kamar. It's okay. It's good for couple. Oke teman-teman, segitu aja dulu pertunjukan akomodasi kita ya hari ini. Nanti saya update lagi untuk kami dinner setelah kami di spa. Thank you for watching us. Hora semuanya. Thank you everybody. Terima kasih semuanya.